buckle things on my sleeves. Woo! Hey guys, it's Jennifer. I'm so excited for this video. This is the fourth and last video in my room makeover series. It's basically my final room tour. If you're not caught up on the past 3 videos, make sure to go watch them because I basically redid my entire room. It looks completely different than it does now. In the first video, I painted everything, redid my furniture. Second video, I organized everything. Third video, I redecorated. So I'm gonna leave those all linked down below or on the right here or here. I still don't know which corner it is, but it'll all be linked somewhere. Make sure you go watch those videos because I worked so hard on my room. So in this video, you guys are finally gonna see how my room finally turned. Did I say finally twice in the same sentence? I need to go back to school. It's just the room of my dreams. Everything is so... I'm gonna cry. I'm literally gonna cry. If you like this video, make sure to like it. Not just emotionally. And subscribe if you haven't already and you like my videos. Make sure to turn on post notifications if you want to know when I upload because that would be kind of cool. I don't know. And if you do press that notification bell and comment down below, you might be featured as shout out of the week at the end of one of my videos. I don't know. Without further ado, let's get into the room tour. Welcome to my room! I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of an overview of what it looks like once you go inside my room. Okay, so when you walk in, to the right of my door, I have this giant full-size mirror, which is also my closet, and then beside that I have my mini guitar and my tripod, and whenever I tell people I have a mini guitar, they're like, don't you mean a ukulele? But I'm like, no, I literally have a mini guitar. Okay, so when I open up my full-size mirror, you will see the closet area. So on the right side, on top, I have all of my cardigans, jackets, things that I wear outside, and then on the bottom of the right side, I have all my shirts that are kind of flimsy and don't fold well. And I also like to arrange my clothes in color order from lightest to darkest or in rainbow order. On the top shelf of my middle section, I have all my camera gear, lenses, and boxes for electronics. Then on the next level, I have all my shorts, and then I have all my long pants, jeans. Next, I have my sweaters and long sleeves. And then on this bottom part, I just have a bunch of bags and suitcases. On the left side of my closet, I like to hang all of my clothes that are super long, like jackets and gowns and dresses. And then on top of that, I just have some random storage boxes. To the left of that, I have my drawers. These are Alex drawers from IKEA, and they can store so much stuff. On top of that, I have my little glass container for all of my makeup brushes. I have a tissue box and my moisturizer. I don't know why it's on there, but it's there. Okay, I'm gonna warn you guys, the insides of my drawers are pretty messy, I'm gonna be honest. Like physically and visually it is messy, but in my brain I know where I can find something, you know? Like, you know what I mean? So the first drawer is just like stationery, scissors, pencils, that kind of stuff. So in the second drawer I have a bunch of my makeup that I use for more of an everyday basis, and in the third one is more of makeup that I don't really use that often, but I just have that I sometimes like to play around with or that have retired. And then in the next drawer I have more makeup, and then I have all of my nail polishes at the front. In the next drawer I have some of my DIY supplies, so my hot glue gun and some tape. In the next drawer I just have some boxes of vocab cards from when I was studying for the SATs. I'm not really sure why I still have these because these are from a dark time that I would not like to remember. In the next drawer is my DIY organization box that I made in a previous video, and in there I have a bunch of pins because I love collecting pins, and some lip balm containers, some wires, batteries, a random mix of stuff. This next drawer is kind of just like mementos and sentimental objects. And then in the last drawer I have all of my sketchbooks, and if you guys want to see my art collection, let me know. Okay, moving on to the desk area, which may be one of my favorite parts of my room. So on top of my desk I have these geometric shapes that I made a DIY on in my last video. Every DIY that I mentioned in this video I will link down below so that you guys can check out how I made them. But yeah, I'm obsessed with these wall hangings. So on my desk I have this aloe plant. The plant is from IKEA and the pot is also from IKEA. The lamp, I have no idea where I got it from, but I redid it in my last video. And then I have a couple of geometric things on my desk. One is my pencil holder that I also DIY'd. For my chair I have this like Herman Miller knockoff with my furry coat on top. Wait, I lied. I think my bed is actually my favorite part of the room because it's so cozy and it's so beautiful because of the lights. So my rustic wooden headboard is a DIY. I just put these fairy lights on it, and then I have a hanging plant in the corner which I also DIY'd in my last video. And then I have a bunch of throw pillows and also a throw blanket from Amazon. So for pillows, I have this plus sign cross pillow in the front, and then I have these two textured, fluffy anthropology inspired pillows behind that one, and these are all DIYs. They'll all be linked down below. And then behind them, I just had my IKEA pillows for sleeping on. My bedspread, my bed sheets are all from IKEA, and of course they're all just a basic white because that's the theme of my room. So at the foot of my bed, I have another plant. I'm not really sure what type of plant this is, but I put it in a pot from IKEA, and I also put it on a stool. And that little guy is just chilling in the corner of my room. To the left of that, I have my giant shelf that I put pretty much everything on. On the top shelf, I have one of my DIY canvases, a sign that says nothing is really lost until your mom can't find it, and then I have an award from school. And then on the next level, I have this light box. I'll also link it down below. It says hustle and create. Then I have my YouTube plaque for 100,000 subscribers. On the next one, I have a bunch of my electronics like my mic, my vlog camera, a bunch of batteries and wires that I put inside the little bucket on the left side that I made in a DIY video. And then on the next shelf, I have a crate full of spray paint and like paintbrushes, a bunch of random stuff. And then on the right, I have my sunglasses on a wooden slab, and then I have a bunch of rings in this ring holder with like a pineapple in the middle. I think it's really cute. I actually don't know where it's from. And then on the bottom, I just have a crate full of books, papers, and then on the right side of that, I have all of my binders. To the left of that, I have my cabinet. On top, I have my necklace holder that I DIY'd. On that, I obviously hang all of my necklaces. And then to the right of that, I have my good memories jar. So basically, every time something good happens, I just write it on a sticky note and put it in. And at the end of the year, I open it up to look at all of the good things that have happened to me. Inside the actual wardrobe, in the first little bucket there, I have all my warm hats like beanies. And then in the second bucket, I have all of my swimsuits. If you guys want to see a swimsuit collection, let me know. And all of these buckets are from the dollar store. In this bucket, I have all of my bags, and right beside that, I just put all of my baseball hats. In the first drawer, I have all my socks, underwear, that kind of stuff. I'm actually really proud of this drawer. And then in the bottom drawer, I have all of my t-shirts. And yeah, that is basically it for my room. My room definitely looks completely different than it did when I started out with it, and I'm trying to go for that minimal look, which I'm still trying to reach, but I still think it looks so cute and definitely what I'm going for, and I am super happy with it. So that is pretty much it for this video. Shout out of the week right here. Thank you so much for watching, and that is pretty much it. I will see you guys next time. Bye!